Welcome to RE Glass Coating presentation. My name is Yuki, and I am the Regional Marketing Director of RE Glass Coating. I will show you why RE Glass Coating is a vital solution to building envelope. I will also show you how RE Glass Coating makes glass windows truly insulated. What is RE? RE stands for rare earth, the most stable element listed at the bottom of the periodic table. They have excellent electromagnetic properties, even better than gold, silver, or copper. It sounds so scientifically complicated, however, RE is already applied in many products nowadays. Rare earth enhanced many products' performance to the next level. For example, conductors become superconductors in the computer industry, batteries become more efficient, and metals become better alloys. This is all due to the excellent electromagnetic properties of rare earth elements. The RE glass coating will revolutionize the glass industry. It will make glass become much more insulated, which will improve the building's thermal insulation envelope to the next level as well. Since heat flows from hot to cold place. If we can control the heat flow, we can control heat loss or heat gain. Heat is a form of infrared. Our skin feels warm because of infrared radiation. Therefore, if we can control the infrared wave, we can fully control indoor heat loss or solar heat gain via glass windows. We can control our indoor comfort, increase energy efficiency, lower carbon footprints, and achieve net zero building goals. As we all know, glass windows are the primary factor in heat loss or heat gain in the building. Most buildings have high R-value insulation walls, roofs, and flooring. Due to the poor insulation and low R-value of glass windows, 70% of heat gain through the glass windows during the summer and 48% of heat loss via the glass windows in the winter. Current glass coating is based on the principle of reflection. In order to lower hot solar heat gain, the current low E coating will reflect UV and IR as much as possible, and the efficiency is about 60 to 65%. This approach will lower visible light transmission, which makes the indoors darker. However, it is still unable to solve the heat loss problem during the winter. RE glass coating technology is utilized the RE's excellent electromagnetic properties that will actively react with IR and convert radiant energy to physical heat energy on the surface of the glass. The heat energy can be carried away by moving air. This is our innovative technology called LSPR or Localized Surface Plasmon Resonance Effect. Since RE elements are very stable with excellent electromagnetic properties, there are no health hazard concerns like VOC or radiation emission, etc. The thin coating layer can block over 98% IR and 99% UV and allow visible light to pass through. The heat generated by the LSPR effect will increase the R value of the glass. I will show you some of our testing videos.
These are two different pieces of glass. This is common, extra thick, hollow glass. It looks like it will be more insulated than the single pane glass. But is this really the case? After the coating is dry, we put the two pieces of glass into the left and right sides of the temperature testing instrument. 1 minute later, we can see that the heat insulation rate of the hollow glass is almost zero, and the temperature reaches 31.2 degrees Celsius, while the heat insulation rate of the single-layer glass coated with EZ2 RE coating is 93.4%, and the temperature is only 20.6 degrees Celsius. That is to say, when the glass is coated with the EZ2 Thermoblock RE coating, the indoor and outdoor temperature difference can be as high as 10 degrees Celsius. To be sure, there is no inevitable correlation between thermal insulation or energy savings and glass thickness. Does this overturn the common perception that the thicker glass is more insulated than it is?
Here are two scenarios to explain how RE glass coating works. During the summer, solar heat IR radiant will be blocked by the coating. It will be turned into physical heat on the outside surface of the glass and carried away by the wind. Since no IR penetration via the glass, it reduces the indoor greenhouse effect and feels much cooler. The air conditioning load will be much lower. By the same theory, during the cold winter, the indoor heat, which is also a form of IR radiant and will be blocked and converted into physical heat at the inside surface of the glass. This will lower heat loss and require less heat generated by the furnace. RE glass coating retains indoor heat longer during the winter and blocks heat from solar in the summer. The combined energy saving of 45 to 60% of the HVAC bills. RE glass coating can be applied on any glass surface, including auto glass. It will keep the auto interior much cooler during the summer. Let's watch the testing video on auto window tint.
As we all know, photovoltaic power generation is a technology that uses the photovoltaic effect of a semiconductor interface to directly convert solar radiation heat energy into electrical energy. We put a small photovoltaic windmill, an infrared UV tester, and a thermometer in a car and then turned on the sun-like spectral lamp integrating infrared and UV rays. It can be seen that the small windmill rotates rapidly and the radiant heat of the sun penetrates the car glass in large amounts. 10 minutes later, the temperature in our car has reached 40 degrees Celsius, and the surface temperature of the leather seats is as high as 62 degrees Celsius. This shows that a lot of heat energy generated by solar radiation is left in the car after passing through the glass. Now, we will carry out an on-site painting on the automotive glass with our EZ2 rare earth coating. We turn on the sun spectrum lamp again. After 10 minutes, the windmill still doesn't rotate. The temperature in the car is less than 16 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of the seats is almost the same as that in the car. At this time, the infrared blocking rate is 98.5%, and the ultraviolet blocking rate is 99.3%. This clearly shows that the thermal insulation RE coating effectively blocks a lot of the heat energy and infrared, ultraviolet rays brought by solar radiation. It can be seen that the EZ2 RE coating can not only solve the problems of high temperature in the car and hot car seats under the sun, but also it reduces aging of leather and tanning of skin caused by the long-term ultraviolet radiation.
RE glass coating is a very powerful material that can change the glass industry. It blocks IR and UV and allows visible light to pass through. It will make glass truly insulated, energy-saving, lower carbon footprint, and help Canadians reach the net zero goal by 2035. If you want to learn more about what RE glass coating can make your life better, please contact us at info@ez2.ca. Thank you for watching.